Just a couple small tips on how to put together your Small Flora craft kit. When you're ready to glue it together after you're finished painting, you're going to use the tacky glue to glue on the nose. All you have to do is put a dab of tacky glue right here and then place the nose where you would like it. Also, what you're gonna glue together is the base. You're gonna wanna put a ring of tacky glue here. You're gonna wanna set your base in, making sure that your feet are gonna be sideways. And then you're also going to be able to glue in your feet. So the two outer holes are gonna be where your feet go. You're gonna put a dab of tacky glue in each hole and then just stick your feet in. And also you can check and make sure that he actually sits and the feet sit the way you'd like. You are not going to glue on the head of your chick to the body. You want that to be able to come off so that you can put your grass inside. And it just makes it a little bit more fun.